Okay, well, this is one of the risks you take. So I was talking to those two Filipino girls. I didn't film them back at the airport, and one of the girls had come to the airport to pick up her friend. So they said to me, hey, we're going into the old quarter, we can give you a ride. I said, great, free ride. Well, as it turns out, the taxi that was reserved, or the car that was reserved, was not going to take them to the old quarter, but was going to take them someplace else. So she asked to be let out. Oh, and here comes the rain. And so they let us off at a taxi stand, and she was, she's cute, so she was able to negotiate a price of $100,000 to come into the old quarter, and it was only a 10-minute ride. So they got up at the hotel, and I grabbed a map at this other hotel because I don't have Wi-Fi here, and I'm making a guesstimate. I intentionally did not reserve a room for tonight because I knew I'd get in at 6:30 in the morning. I mean 2:30 in the morning. I'm not going to have a hotel for 4 hours. Oh, faux my. Those guys are eating. Yeah, I really don't want to eat at 2:30 in the morning, but I may wait till, look, everybody's out. Better pay attention to the streets here, because I'm looking to, there's the street sign. At least they have street signs here. Hang Mam. Alright, this turns in, Hang Mam turns into Hang Bao, I think. Alright, I gotta sign off. And this is Hang Bak, the street. So between the map I got at the hotel and looking at the map I had on my computer, I pretty much was able to determine where my hotel is. Pretty easy walk. I'd say it's no more than, 10-15 minute walk. Assuming I don't get lost. As long as there's street signs, I'll figure it out. Yeah, my hesitation on coming here was the weather. It was saying that rain was forecast for the next 2 weeks every day. Now, what percentage of the day, who knows? We'll figure it out. And if I get wet, I get wet. I only brought one pair of shoes. Alright, so this is the old quarter of Vietnam. You can see that while the Circle K was open 24 hours, there's still people out eating at restaurants. There's some people straight ahead. Looks like they're sitting on the corner, they're eating. So there's definitely a late night vibe here to some extent. So it'll be interesting to see how busy these streets are in about 12 hours or less. It's 3:30 in the morning right now. Alright, well, this is my street. Found it pretty easily. They're supposed to have a 24-hour desk, which probably means somebody's sleeping right there. See, the guy on the phone? Number 4. This is number 8. Number 12. Oh, it's back on the corner, I guess. Maybe they have a different sign. Well, it looks like they're liars. Hanoi Focus Hotel. That thing's boarded up. Hopefully, oh well. Not a 24-hour hotel as they advertised. This giant rat just went across the street here. He went right in there. Let's see if I have a... Okay, one in there. One underneath that door. Well, there's another Circle K there, open 24 hours. Coffee Club, I don't know if this is coming out. That looks like it's pretty active during the day. A lot of stuff there. And there's like a small pond or lake here that I saw on the map. So I'll get some walking steps in. Even though I don't know. Yeah. Alright, signing off. Well, fortunately, this is a lake. Fortunately, I was able to get a couple hours sleep on the plane. I'm tired, but that's why I drank that Nescafe coffee. It's like some sort of temple here. Young people sitting out in front of the temple. Park around the lake. Banyan trees. Alright, well, I said to myself I'd come up to this area and reevaluate. Oh yeah, see the shrine lit up here. The candles up on top of that little hill. Oh, look at the tigers, wow. Nice. See that? Hopefully that's coming out. Yeah, I'm surprised there's this many people out at 4 in the morning. Shrine right up there. I see the Buddhas. Let's get a picture of that tiger. Tiger and a dragon. Looks like there's a guy taking a whiz right there. Oh, well, this is locked up. This goes to a arch bridge. Nok Song Temple relics. Great cats, but I see a lot of rats. A huge rat just jumped right in here. Where is he? Probably in a hole. Huh. Yeah, I can't really see. Carp of some type. I'm really enjoying walking around. It's not raining too much. I'm walking around this small lake. Guys in uniforms there. One way to get you walking in early. I'm guessing I'm at either 5,000 or 6,000 steps now. It looks like an oldie from the 60s maybe, or the 70s. VNPT Hanoi. I think that must say Hanoi. And according to that, it's 4:15. I'm hoping by 5 o'clock there'll be some breakfast places opening up and I can experience that, or maybe wait till the sun comes up. Might be a little bit easier to eat then. Saw another rat. Jumped right in here. Some sort of gate here. Where'd you go? How do they disappear? Oh, there he is. Look at how big he is. Here he goes. Okay?
Yes.
Good?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
You no sleep?
No sleep. I just arrived. Airplane. Dala. On Tien Plaza. I just met those 3 girls. They're out celebrating something. But I don't speak Vietnamese and they don't speak English. So we're using sign language like that game where you play with your hands. I forget the name of the game. Sounds like. Alright. I am about 2/3 of the way around. Well, halfway anyways. And it's 4:23 in the morning. I'm at 5,463 steps. Yeah, typically when you pull an all-nighter, it's not the next day that you're hurting, it's the second day after the adrenaline wears off.